What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be working on a couple of S2000s. That's why I wore my S2000 shirt. Hey, hit up Prime Driven for that merch. But anyways, I'm here with Tony. Say hi, Tony.
I need more coffee. What's up, guys?
I need some coffee. Period. Nah, anyways, so we're gonna see what today brings. We got Julissa's, what is it?
Julina.
I always mess up her name.
Damn.
Julina, Julissa. Like she ain't never gonna watch this damn video. There ain't no females watch my video. Oh man. If you're a female, comment down below. Tell me that you watch this video, because I don't think there's any females. Anyways, Julina, we're gonna be working on her S2000. What is it, like a broken diff?
Yeah.
Oh boy.
That diff doesn't sound good. As soon as I pulled in the shop last night, I could smell diff fluid.
Really?
Even when I walked in this morning, I was like, ooh.
Would it be a diff? Would you be able to see if it's broken if you jack up the rear and then put jack stands and then put it in first gear?
You can rotate one wheel forward and the other one should go backwards.
Oh, okay.
If it's broken, it won't spin. And also, AP1s are known for weaker diffs. So.
Oh, that's AP1.
Yeah, that's a hopefully.
Okay.
But hopefully she'll upgrade AP2.
That's why I'll never get an S2000.
Here, look. Here.
No.
No, I just sent this video to Right Hand Drive Kirby.
What?
Like not even 10 minutes ago.
What is it?
This is when I was at the races.
Right Hand Drive Kirby is a local guy.
Yeah, he's got a turbo. Hold on, let the video reset there. There, focus. Look at that.
Man, launch?
Yeah.
Wow.
SS Camaro and a 5.0 Mustang.
That's one thing
And they didn't catch
you don't see Honda S2000s do.
And that was all motor.
Damn. Yeah. But yeah, we're gonna be working on this thing, this beauty. You guys saw the paint color like on the last video. Oh my god, amazing. Love it. What's the story with this? This guy brought it back?
No, it's been here.
With the throttle body?
It's got two different codes. It's got a known PO135 code for an oxygen sensor.
Okay.
But this motor came from another S2000.
Yeah.
So I gotta check the wiring because we replaced the sensor.
Okay.
Still nothing. And it has a P1399 code, which is a manufacturer's ignition like control code.
Yeah.
So I'm assuming it has to do either something ECU related or something with the ignition. So, but the issue with the car is you'll give it throttle and it's almost as if it's like dirty or clogged injectors. The throttle response isn't right away. We clean the injectors on the machine, replace the fuel pump because I had a bad fuel pump. So I'm thinking it could be clogged lines, which it's gonna be a little messy to clean, but hopefully not.
All right.
But he did buy in the auction. This is a less than $4,000 S2000. So
That's crazy.
yeah.
That's crazy. I don't see any S2000s going for anything less but like $8 grand or something like that. Looking good. Look at this stiff ass suspension though. Things raised up, but it ain't even move. Back a little bit, but not the front. That's crazy. But yeah, we're actually gonna start draining the diff fluid. We think it is the diff. We're gonna do this little. We're gonna run this test or what? Let's see. There you go, breaking your own shit. Oh, look at that. Blue Brides. Delicious. Look at this mess. Oh my god. Nah, I'm playing.
I like the boy on.
She was like, don't judge me. She was like, my car's a mess.
Yep, that's diff. I ain't moving at all.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
Yep.
You can hear it.
Sick, bro. Sounds like.
Just to make sure that's
Yep. It moves a bit, bro. I really hope that this damn focus on the camera actually like stays in one place, because with the light changes, it's like focusing and out and in and out, and I'm like, God, it's so annoying.
I text her, hey, it might be the diff. She's like, LOL. Okay, damn.
Tony, why are you so sexy?
One of the biggest issues why these go bad is because of the type of fluid that people use.
What type of fluid do people use?
They use the one that does not have the LS additive in it.
Okay.
And that's why. Look at that. Oh, no fluid.
Nothing coming out.
Nothing coming out.
Oh my god, bro. What the fuck? Just tell her. Be like, what did you do? Guys, you gotta check your fluids. Checking all the fluids.
Religiously, especially if you have a VTEC, check your oil.
That's true. I check my oil probably 2 or 3 times a week. And I mean, even when I had the Evo, I didn't really check the oil, but I always tried checking like the T-case, make sure the fluid was good on the T-case, the transmission, the fucking diff. Like, always had to make sure, because them things are expensive as hell to replace.
That's the wrong size. It's 24. Shit. No goody goody. Like Ray would say. Oh god.
What would Ray say?
No goody goody.
What the fuck?
Bro, this diff plug is like...
What are you trying to do?
Take the fill plug out.
Oh. I'm surprised it's not like a hex or something.
It is. It's a 24.
Oh.
But, well, technically it's 23. But they put a 24 on there. So I think what happened, they might have mixed them. I've never actually tried to put the drain plug where the fill plug goes.
Yeah.
But we'll know if it has a magnet in it that this is actually the drain plug, not the fill plug.
That'd be funny, bro. That'd be so funny.
Yeah.
I mean, not funny for her, but it'd be.
Yeah.
Let me see. So that's the fill plug?
No, that should be the drain plug.
Yeah. But
I'm gonna
saying,
clean that off.
that should be
Here.
the drain plug, right?
Let's just see, just for camera purposes.
Oh my.
There's a magnet, so that's the drain plug, and they put it on the fill hole.
Oh my.
That's
God.
probably why this diff failed.
That's funny. Yeah, that shit probably leaked everywhere, dude.
Well,
because the other one wasn't big enough, or it was the wrong.
It's the same thread,
Okay,
but
different size plug.
no. Well, the actual outside is the same size, but
Yeah.
the internal part doesn't have a magnet. So when all the fluid is at the bottom,
Yeah.
it collected up top, not on the bottom.
Ah,
So it probably got hot
yeah.
because all the metal just.
Yeah,
sprayed
but
into it.
what explains it not having any fluid?
That was the smoke that she was telling me about when she got off the highway yesterday.
Oh,
Yeah.
Tron, have a good nap, huh? Should you have a good nap?
Oh, fuck, you guys are leaving.
Oh, good, Dad. You're such a cutie! Oh my god! Oh my goodness!
Alright,
Alright,
bud. We'll be back.
We're gonna go eat some torta and then we'll be back, okay? It's lunchtime. What do we have on the menu for today? I don't know, but we're gonna find out.
Something?
I really want some tortilla. I really want some Firehouse subs. If you guys never had that, this shit's bomb. Like, you guys are missing out for real. But yeah, I want some Firehouse subs. So I don't know where we're going. Where are we going? Yeah, we're going to Firehouse. See you guys there.
Subway?
Well, you know, just after a long day of working, here eating Firehouse subs. Because we've been, you know, busting our ass all day, and, you know, life's hard, guys. Life's just hard. Nah, fuck. Hey, I love Firehouse subs. I don't know what it is about the sauce or something like that. Pause. But it's pretty good sauce. How you like your Philly cheesesteak, dog?
It's good.
Yeah? I got that Italian. Oh my god, picture perfect. Look at that.
I usually get the Italian or club on a sub, but we have really cheap today.
Fire. So, plan is, once we get back to the shop, we're gonna remove the diff off of Julissa. Julina. I always say Julissa. I don't know. Julina. Golly. We're gonna be removing the diff off of the AP1, and then tomorrow we're gonna go pick up the new one. We're gonna install it, and then yeah, new fluid, and then that's it. It's a wrap. And then what are we waiting on? A clutch and no, not a clutch. The headers and headers and clutch. Okay, for the silver one that we have over there.
No.
For another guy.
Yeah.
Pretty much sums up the day for today.
Hi.
Cause it's my car. Nah, I'm playing. Damn, she looking good, bro. Yo, the whole time that we were like sitting down eating food, we were just like looking at the car, just like,
I was just like, ugh.
Fuck you, man.
There's Bernie after he had his foot-long sub. Became a fireman.
Oh boy, it's getting hot in here. Spit to hot fire. Oh, it's going left, right?
Mm-hmm. Alright. Straight.
How's it going, guys? What's up? You're single and ready to mingle. This call 1-800-LONG. Alright, guys, so this is the drive shaft of the AP1. Taking it off, you know, one at a time. And then after that, we're gonna go ahead and take it off of the mounting points, take the axles out of where they connect to the diff, like right here. So I'll be disconnecting this on each side, and then there's 2 mounting points in the back, and then where's it at? Right. Where's it at? Where's it at? Right here. So this one and this one, we're gonna be taking off those 2, and then we'll get a jack under here and lower down the diff. But yeah, we got that going on real quick. Oh man. So we've gone a long way, guys. If you guys ever removed diff before on the S2000, so I could draw you guys a picture, if anything. Yeah.
Microsoft Paint.
I was about to like go into full detail on like what we all did and everything, but I'm like, I'm too exhausted for that shit right now. But
remove axles, remove mounts.
Yeah, remove axle, remove mounts. There's a bracket right that mounts to basically the rear subframe that has the damn differential attached to it. So we're taking off that bracket right now because we couldn't get it off with the bracket on, so we gotta take the bracket off. Then we got the jack stand on the diff ready for it to get lowered, and yeah, besides that, after that we're all good to go.
Yep, then we're getting to take it apart and see what's wrong with it.
Yeah, exactly. We got the diagnostic, bro. We got the diagnostic.
Yeah. I'm curious to see how bad it is.
What?
I mean, at least mine had fluid in it. This one didn't have fluid.
I'm like, Tron's all sleeping.
He's knocked the fuck out.
Here, let's see if y'all can hear him snoring. He got wrinkles. Hey, Tron. These nuts. Got him. What is he doing? Alright guys, so we took the diff out. That's how it looks. It's all burnt up. Look at that. That's nasty. Yeah. And then this is the table that he's gonna be making. And yeah, boy.
Yeah.
They want accomplished.
Little Tron. Cool custom name tag we had made.
Aww.
Give a yawn for all the viewers.
Yeah, right.
Super tired. Got to sleep 5 times for today.
Oh man. So yep, everything's out and about. That light's still on under the. All right, cool.
Yeah, I don't feel like taking one.
But all right, guys, we're wrapping it up, and there goes the session for day 1 with working at Jet with Tony. So, yeah. If you guys enjoyed, if you guys learned anything, I don't know, just let me know in the comments down below. I love to read your guys' comments. Love to see your guys' opinions on everything. Nigga.
I locked it.
But yeah, leave a thumbs up.
We have one more thing to show you what not to do on a car.
Oh my god. Imagine he watches my videos though.
That's okay.
That's okay. Don't ever wide body your Hyundai and put like 18 by 10.5s in the rear and 18 by 9.5s in the front. Jeez Louise.
Yeah, they're 18, 9.5 up front.
Ridiculous. But yeah. Well, if you guys enjoyed today's video, leave a comment, leave a thumbs up, let me know. And if you guys want to see anything other, you know, any other specifics or anything like that, let me know as well, all right? Because I got nothing but time on my hands, all right, guys?
I'm gonna work on a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
On this.
Exactly. Work on a lot of stuff.
I wish you were here the other day. I mean, the Lotus was in here.
Oh, yeah.
That was pretty cool.
When's that thing coming back?
When it's broken.
Let's break it.
It's
all right, guys.
It'll be broken next week.
Yeah, right. I'll catch you guys next time. So, deuces. One love.